Welcome to Fun Learning Journey. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to meet 30 friendly farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Can you guess this farm animal? It is a cow. Can you guess this farm animal? You got this, chicken. Can you guess this farm animal? Wow! It is a pig. Look, this is a sheep. Can you guess this farm animal? This is a horse. Nice, it's duck. Nice, it's a goat. Can you guess this farm animal? Look, it's turkey. Wow! It's a rabbit. Can you guess this farm animal? You got this, it's goose. Don't forget to subscribe to Fun Learning Journey for more adventures. Can you guess this farm animal? This is a donkey. Can you guess this farm animal? Wow! It's a llama. Can you guess this farm animal? Wow! You got it, alpaca. It is a cat. It is a dog. Nice, it's a rooster. It's a guinea pig. Can you guess this farm animal? It is a peafowl. Nice, you got it. It's a quail. Wow! It's pigeon. Don't forget to subscribe to Fun Learning Journey for more adventures. Can you guess this farm animal? You got it, cow-calf. Nice, it's duckling. You got it, kid goat. It's a lamb. Can you guess this farm animal? It is a foal. It is gosling. It is a piglet. You got it, it's a chick. you guess this farm animal? Nice, you got it, calf goat. Wow! It's a pony. Don't forget to subscribe to Fun Learning Journey for more adventures. See you next time. Bye!